This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief with Summer. And Summer's all the way here from Honolulu, Hawaii, right, Summer?
Yes.
You and your husband came over here to get treatment. Your husband had to go back early, so we're doing this video for him.
Yes.
So Summer comes over here from Hawaii with some lower back pain stiffness, some neck pain stiffness, some mid back tightness and stiffness, and mostly she gets some numbness and tingling down into her arms and hands, especially on this right side. And she gets some neck pain and shoulder tightness as well, and occasional headaches. Right shoulder pain, which she separated, right?
Yes.
And she gets some hip pain down here and low back pain. So I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation, so this is going to be her first adjustment, but I do want to go over her posture, so let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, please, Summer. And then neutral. Yep, take a look. See, your head's a little forward and a little left of center. That's what's making your right shoulder appear higher. Your pelvis has shifted right of center. You have less room over here than you have over here. Okay, so let's have you lay on your tummy here. Like I said, we've already done her exam, so I'm going to get started adjusting her on the biophysics table. Her right leg is shorter by about 1/2 an inch, and it gets even when I bring it up. That tells me her right SI joint's out of place. When I did the sacral deviation test on her, go ahead and lift your right leg up. Okay, now the left one. The right one felt more difficult, didn't it?
Yes.
Yep. So she's got a right sacral deviation and a right SI joint subluxation, as determined by her right leg being short, getting even when I bring it up. That's called a positive Knockless and Deerfield test. Knockless, her pelvis raises up off the table. So I'm going to start adjusting her SI joints first. This is the right one. And then the sacrum right down the center. And then the left SI. There. Okay, now we're going to get into our lumbar spine at L5. Straight PA on L4. L3, you get a slightly upward angle. See the angles on my arm changing? There you go. That's L2. And then we're going to get into our lower thoracics here. Yes, ma'am. This is Summer's first experience with the chiropractor here today. So we're going to show her the works. Legs are even now, Summer. Tell me if this feels any easier coming up to you than the first one did.
Yes.
Yeah, amazing, huh? Okay, you're going to feel your neck popping up a little bit on this next one. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please. Okay, slide up just right there. Okay, I'm going to bring your head up and back. Yep. Good. Okay, now slide down this way just a tad. And let's put both arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. Adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, and then your anterior ribs right here where they attach to your sternum. That's where you feel that popping occasion. There you go. Okay, just relax. Let me have your leg here. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your low back. Did you?
Yes.
Good. Same thing here. Let this go. There we go. Good job. Feel that one too? Okay, let's sit you up and face that way, please. Let me help you up sideways. There you go. That's it. It's your right shoulder right there. It's the one you separated.
Yeah.
I just put that back in its joint. Did you feel that? Is that what they did when they did it at the hospital too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did it hurt more than?
Yeah, it did.
Less now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. There, okay. There we go. And your husband's really going to miss out on this next one I'm going to do, which is the ring dinger. Let's come over here. This is what you feel all the way from Hawaii for, right here.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, butt right here, head up that way, please. On your back.
Oh.
There you go. That's all right. First time. There we go. Slide down underneath that just a tad. There you go. And this is going to feel tight. You should. Let your hands relax right here. And just let your legs bend and relax naturally. So how you like Houston?
I like it.
It's a nice city. Honolulu's nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the Big Island. There we go. Kilauea's still going, isn't it?
Yeah.
Feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Kind of take your breath away.
Mhm.
There we go. That a girl. Let this one go. I got you. That's it. Good job. So when you get up, kind of turn sideways and push yourself up with your arm. There you go. And then stand right here in front of the mirror for me. Okay, so we're going to have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards for me now. That should have felt easier actually. Take a look in the mirror right now. Much better. Look at the space equaled out here. See how we opened that up? Okay, so here's your exercise. You're going to pull both shoulders up and back. Flare those there. And then we're going to bring your head straight back. And now look back at the wall behind you. You're going to feel a little tap right there. Right there. Now relax. Okay, this time when you go forward and backwards, tell me if you feel any difference in the movement. As far as the smoothness. Should feel like I put a little WD-40 in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
It feels smoother?
Yeah. It's not
Yep.
cracking.
Very good. So, this being your very first chiropractic experience, how would you describe this to someone coming from out of state or out of the country to advanced chiropractic relief for your first experience here?
Worth it.
Worth it?
Worth it.
Yeah.
For sure.
Good. Well, it's a pleasure meeting you. Thank you for sharing your experience. We look forward to getting your husband back over
Yeah.
here.
For sure.
All right. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in the summer of 2018. We'll see y'all soon.